Now, I am about to say something that I never thought I would. I had a good night's sleep last night. And the night before that. All week in fact, I have tipped into bed, my mind restless for one shuddering moment before I turn to lie flat on my back and repeat a well-rehearsed script, at which point my thoughts drop off into dark velvety sleep. Skepticism. Psychiatrist. Self-hypnosis. That is how I found myself sitting with 11 strangers, memorizing a script to focus on our bodies from limb to limb, and then our organs, like a strange, verbal body scan. So when I came across a magazine article mentioning it, autogenic training, a form of self-hypnosis and an apparent fix for insomnia, formulated by a German psychiatrist in the 1930s, skepticism kicked in. It looked like I was merely resting with my eyes closed, but in my head I was repeating sentences. My right arm is heavy and warm. My heartbeat is calm and regular and my neck and shoulders are heavy and warm. The script had to be followed in a certain order, and repeated 3 times. There was nothing more to it than that, and so I started chanting, to myself, that is, silently, 3 times a day. A few weeks into my course, I began to feel something. My insomnia hadn't disappeared but I began to feel calmer, brighter, and less wired all the time. I felt my memory get sharper. I didn't have to write.
I felt as if I had tried every known cure going, and there are plenty, given almost a third of us admit to being sleep deprived. 024 What does a vaccine contain? Tick, 1 box. A toxic form of a virus. A weakened form of a virus. An active form of a virus. Describe 2 features of the work of H. Division in the policing at Whitechapel. The policing at Whitechapel.